The hot take. You can actually use math to figure out who to start in your fantasy football lineups. Before I ever won my $1 million playing fantasy football, I learned this technique. Of course, there's more that goes into it, but this is the best way to get yourself started and know who to start. Let's do some math. The first thing you want to do is check the line for what's going on in Vegas. For example, the Eagles are playing the Cowboys to open the season. Let's say the Eagles are favored by 7 points, and let's say the over-under for the game is 43 points. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to write out our equation. Dallas plus 7 at Philly minus 7, 43 points. The first thing we're going to do is take that 43 and divide by 2. 2 teams. That's 21.5. The next thing we're going to do is take our 7 and divide that by 2 because 2 teams. 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. The next step we're going to do is take our 21.5 plus our 3.5 and we're going to end up with 25. At this point, we're going to minus the 7-point differential from that 25. This leaves us with 18. So what we've done is we've just established the benchmark for the score based on Vegas odds for the Dallas Eagles game at 25-18. What we've done here is we've said that the Eagles are going to score 25 points, the Cowboys are going to score 18. The purpose for doing this is not to figure out the exact score, but you're going to do this for every single game that's on Sunday's slate. What you're going to find is you're going to come out with 5 to 7 teams that are among the highest scoring teams in the league. From those 5 to 7 teams, you're going to pull out the players that you think are going to have the strongest performance based on the defense, based on the offense, based on the matchup, and all your other research. But this gives you a foundation to build upon. Instead of trying to pull from all these different games and all these different teams, you're going to focus on 5 or 6 games, 5 or 6 teams. And remember, you never know who's going to win the game. So if it's Dallas and Philadelphia, even though the Eagles are projected to win, if Dallas wins, they're on the other side of the equation. So you want to consider both teams from the top 5 games. And that's going to give you your foundation to build your roster on. Not financial advice, just winning advice.